Okay, so the main part of this lesson is focusing on the 2 times tables. So let's have a look at some problems. So Jack has built some towers using cubes. There we go. So thinking about the knowledge we've had from last week, looking at sort of groups of, how many groups are there? 1, 2, 3, 4. There are 2 in each group. So how many towers has he built? We've got 4 towers. There are 4 groups. So the towers are groups. 4. How many cubes are in each tower? So how many are in each group? 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. How many cubes has he used in total? Because they're in equal groups of 2, we can count in twos. 2, 4, 6, 8. 4 groups of 2 equals 8. Remember that multiplication sign or times sign is groups of. So 4 groups of 2, and we have 8 together. Or, remember, we can also swap these around. 2 groups of 4 equals 8. So if we put those into 2 groups, so circle around those 2, circle around those 2, we'd have 1, 2 groups, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4 in each group. So, next question we have Whitney, who's also been building towers using cubes. Now, obviously, because we're focusing on the 2 times table, our groups are going to be 2. So, how many towers has she built? We've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Remember, I know they are towers of cubes, but remember we can see them as groups. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 groups. We know that there are 2 in each group, so we could have 6 groups of 2. So if we add them all together, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, because remember skip counting in twos. We've got 6 groups of 2, which equals 12, or we can swap these 2 numbers round and it'll give us the same answer, 2 groups of 6. And if we were to put those cubes into groups of 2 groups of 6, we could just circle around these 3. So then we'd have 1 group, and then around these 3, so that's another group. And in each of those groups, we'd have 2, 4, 6. 2, 4, 6. So then we have Dexter has also been building towers using cubes. Okay, so now it looks a bit different because there aren't groups of 2. How many towers has he built? Okay, so if we counted those, remember towers, we can see them as groups. That's 1, 2 towers or 2 groups. How many cubes are in each tower? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay. We could look at these and think, right, let's count in twos across. So that's 1 group, so it's 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14. All right. We've got 2 groups of 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And the same here. So 2 groups of 7 equals 14. Or, as we did it, we looked at putting them into groups of 2. Like that. So going across. 7 groups of 2 also equals 14. Have a go at questions 1 to 3 on your worksheet.